I'm Dr. Erica Lacher from Spring Hill Equine and straight from the horse doctor's mouth. Today, let's talk about leading a horse to water and making them drink. So here in Florida, summertime has officially arrived with highs this weekend in the high 90s. Wherever you are, summer is sure to make an appearance, or for whatever reason, you may want your horse to drink more water. Let's talk about a couple of strategies to do that. First of all, make sure your horse has access to salt in some way, shape, or form. This can be a salt block that they have access to, salt that you add to their feed, loose trace minerals that are available in their stall or in their pasture, but they need to have availability of salt. Next, if you are going to do some sort of strenuous activity, like you're anticipating that you have an event, for example, you're going to a horse show tomorrow, and you know your horse is going to sweat, they're going to do a little bit of extra work, something along those lines, then adding an electrolyte to their feed that day is a great option. I like to do it before and after exercise to make sure that they're replenishing all those needs. Most of the commercially available electrolytes are fantastic and work for just about every horse out there. You may have heard some stuff about no sugar in your electrolytes, blah, 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 blah. A little bit of sugar does a great job helping sodium move across the GI tract, so a little bit of sugar is fine. There really isn't enough sugar in any electrolyte out there to impact your horse's diet negatively, so don't overly worry about sugar. Go with one your horse likes, it's easy for you to get, and it's easy for you to give. Those are the things I look for in electrolytes. From there, a little bit of training can sometimes make this a whole lot easier. So I find that a lot of times I can lead a horse to water and they won't drink, but I can lead a horse to soup and I can trick them into drinking. So I will teach them that they can eat a little bit of their grain, alfalfa pellets, something along those lines, in a whole lot of water. So I have Kai behind me here. She is trained that if I put 2 handfuls of Pro-Force fuel, which is her absolute favorite thing on the planet, in a gallon bucket of water, she will drink that whole bucket of water trying to get all of that Pro-Force fuel out of there. That was a little bit of a process, and we started with a handful in some water, and then we just gradually worked our way up. So taking a little bit of time and training your horse to do that is a great way to start. Let's say you're not in a position to do that and you suddenly need to get your horse to drink water. Doing small, frequent amounts of small meals with a lot of water added can be a great way. So I'll take, again, that handful of grain that they like, bee pulp, anything, add a whole bunch of water to it, as much as I can get away with, and offer that to them. And then I'm going to do that again in 15 or 20 minutes. So offering them water frequently. Once you get your horse drinking water in this way, you can get a lot into him quickly, and that's going to lead me to a quick wives' tale myth-busting session. There is work out there saying that you shouldn't let your horse drink as much water as they want, and that is a myth that I'm going to bust right now. Whatever your horse wants to drink, let them have. Certainly, horses seem to like warmer water than colder, and by that I mean like room temperature water they prefer over ice cold water. So don't worry about getting the water cold that you're offering them. That gets hard in high quantities anyways, but just offering them plenty of water and all that they want is the best you can do. So hope these tips for how to lead your horse to water and make them drink help you get through summertime.